strike. The stage begins when the heel first touches the ground and continues until complete foot is on the ground, that is early foot stage. Second, early flat foot. The starting of the early flat foot stage is that moment when the complete foot is on the ground, and the end early flat foot stage occurs when the body's center of gravity passes over the top of the foot. The center of gravity of the body is located approximately in the pelvic area of lower spine while walking. The main purpose of this stage is to allow the foot to act as the shock absorber. Late flat foot. An athlete comes into late flat foot stage when his body's center of gravity passes in front of the neutral position. This stage lasts when the heel lifts off the ground. During this stage, the foot needs to go from being a shock absorber to being a rigid leveler, which can help to propel the body in forward direction. Heel rise. The stage starts when the heel begins to leave the ground. The foot functions as the rigid lever to move the body in forward direction. During this stage of walking, the ground forces that go through the foot are very significant. Toe off. This stage begins when the toe leaves the ground completely. This stage continues till the beginning of swing phase. Swing phase. Swing phase occurs when one foot is on the ground and the other one is in the air. The foot which is in the air is called to be in swing phase, and the swing phase of walking is shorter than the stance phase. Mechanical analysis of running. The mechanical analysis of running can be studied properly in the following phases. The first one is stance phase and second one is swing phase. Initial stance phase. The stance phase is that phase in which the foot is in contact with the ground. This phase is considered as the most significant of the two phases because during this phase the foot and the legs bear the body weight. This phase can be divided into 4 stages which are described below. Initial contact stage. This stage begins at the moment when both feet are off the ground. Suppose the left